Okay, welcome back. In this video, we will learn the meaning of machine learning. What is the machine learning? As I told you in last video that we'll use our book called Introduction to Machine Learning, and this book is owned by Motec and written by Noel Moses Modende. So make sure you get this book, Introduction to Machine Learning. So if you scroll down, you will see I want to find the meaning of machine learning. So as you can see here, machine learning is the system that can learn from example through self-improvement and without explicit coded by programmer. The meaning comes from the idea that machine learning can learn from data or examples to produce accurate results. Machine learning is closely related to data mining and Bayesian predictive modeling. A simple example where machine learning can function as human being, consider this scenario. For old man lived 85 years, coming across through different summer and winter seasons, can predict the occurrence or the rate of rainfall in the next year. How this become possible? It is due to experience it is due to experience which can make this old man who have lived many years to predict. So also for machine learning, given a dataset about rainfall statistics organized in good way, also computer can learn from those dataset and come up with prediction. A football fan have watching Manchester United vs Liverpool games for 10 years, have data experience and can predict the game, who is going to win the match. That is an example match between Liverpool and Manchester. This is the same for algorithm. By using different machine learning algorithm and data, the system can be possible to predict. Arthur Lee Samuel, 1959, described machine learning as, in quotation mark, it is the field of study that gives the ability to the computer for self-learning without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning learn itself from dataset exposed for them. Finally, they come with great output. So that's the meaning of machine learning. So we have seen that machine learning is about to teach a machine to learn itself. So what we need is to give dataset or to give examples, which can be pictures or can be dataset which are labeled for supervised machine learning or unlabeled for unsupervised machine learning. We give algorithm data, so algorithm can learn itself. That's why we call it machine learning. We leave a machine to learn on itself, or we teach a machine to learn for itself. Yeah, that is machine learning. After learning, after successful learning, machine or computer will be able to have experience. Let's say I'm Liverpool fan. I support Liverpool. So I've watched the many games between Manchester City and Liverpool. So I know what is the weakest side. I know if it happen again between Liverpool and Manchester City, there is a great possibility for Liverpool to win according to the history. So I'm human being. So for computer to predict who can win in the game between Liverpool and Manchester, we use Dataset, which will have a statistic history between Manchester City and Liverpool game. Uh, Dataset will have columns between these teams. I mean, maybe February, um, Manchester City and Liverpool had match. Maybe Man City won 2-0. August, Liverpool vs Man City. Liverpool won 4 games. Yeah. So we give or we feed the algorithm with Dataset. So algorithm of machine learning will teach or will learn itself, will teach a computer to predict like human being. So that is machine learning. We teach computer or we teach system, we teach machine to learn from itself. That is. So thank you for watching. This was video about machine learning introduction. In next video, about we'll learn about models with algorithm. So don't miss. Thank you for watching. This is Motech. I'm Moses or Noel Moses Madende. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show support, show appreciation, show love for our work. Thank you. See you in the next video.